In this video, I will show you how we can enable or disable confirmation box for recycle bin. In Windows 11, if we are deleting any file, so generally we are not getting any confirmation box. Suppose I am deleting this file, so it will directly delete. It is directly going to recycle bin. If we want a confirmation box before deleting any file, so what we need to do, we will just go to recycle bin, right click here and go to properties. Here we will select this option, display delete confirmation dialog. So we will check this box and click apply and OK. So if we will delete any file now, so it will promote a confirmation box before deleting. Suppose I am deleting this file, right click and delete. So now it is asking for the confirmation. So we want to delete or not. So if I will click on yes, so it will delete. In next situation, if we want to disable this confirmation box, so what we need to do, we will just go to recycle bin again, right click and properties. Here we will uncheck this box. So now it will not ask any confirmation. It will directly delete the file. I will show you. Now if I will delete this file, so it will directly delete. You can see. So this is the easiest way to get confirmation box enable or disable. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you so much.